reptiles. So does someone want to show? So does someone want to show their reptile snakeskin scaly clip? So we made reptile magnet clips, and we're making amphibian slime to remind us that reptiles have what kind of skin? Reptiles? Remember which one? Yep. Can I hear everybody? What kind of skin do reptiles have?
Scaley.
Can I hear everybody? What kind of skin do reptiles have? Say it really loud.
Scaley.
Okay. What kind of skin do amphibians have?
Slimey.
What kind?
Slimy.
And we have our amphibian that everyone got to meet today. This is a native species. Does anyone remember what kind of amphibian she is? Oh, yes? What is she? Do you remember? Oh, let me get 2 hands. Anyone remember what she is? Yeah?
Salamander.
A salamander. Anyone remember what kind of salamander?
Tigers?
A tiger salamander, yep. So tiger salamanders do live in Michigan. They're in the group of salamanders known as mole salamanders, which means where do moles live?
Underground.
Underground. So tiger salamanders also live underneath the ground most of their lives. The only time they ever really come up out of the ground is if there's a really big rainstorm, they get washed out of their tunnels, or they may migrate to their breeding ponds in the spring. So I've actually only seen one in the wild once, but they are native species. So can you guys show Josh some of your amphibian slime before we start to clean up? Does anyone have some good slimy fingers? Ooh, those are good slimy fingers.
Finally, mine's got a little more water in it, so that way the hardness probably will be more.
So nobody lost this lizard?